संग संग तेरे चलता रहूं मैं गुरुवर यीशु। सुन तुहार प्रभु सुन पुकार हर पल सांझ सवेरे तेरे चरणों में हम सब आते पाने को जीवन जल।
नृत्य के लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगा, आपको देखकर देखता रह गया और कहूँ कहने को क्या रह गया। आपको देखकर देखता रह गया और कहूँ कहने को क्या रह गया। उनकी आंखों से कैसे झलकने लगा, मेरे होठों पे जो फसाना रह गया।
Now, I would like to call upon our school principal, Reverend Sister Winnie, to please come on stage and welcome our guests and distinguished dignitaries, escorted by head boy and head girl. Sister Winnie, please.
Guest of honor, Mr. Aditya Gildayal, CNH industrialists, Reverend fathers and sisters, respected dignitaries, our beloved parents, well-wishers, loving teachers, and my dear students. It is my humble task to welcome you all to this wonderful evening of exhibition of talents. At the very outset, we appreciate the love and concern that His Excellency Bishop Francis Kallis has been showing to this institution. Today, we consider ourselves honored to have His benevolent presence with us in this evening, in spite of many other hectic assignments. May I accord you, His Excellency, Mr. Francis Kallis, a warm and heartfelt welcome to this august gathering. I feel pleased to extend floral welcome to Mr. Aditya Gildayal, CNH industrialist, who is interested in the upliftment of the society, appreciating and acknowledging your precious contributions to the society. On behalf of St. Marian family, I welcome you to this vibrant evening. Hearty welcome to dear sir. St. Marian family is blessed today with the graceful presence of Reverend Fathers and Sisters who have come here to partake in our joy. Acknowledging your concern for us, I welcome you to this annual day celebration. I avail this opportunity to welcome all the dignitaries, well-wishers, Sir Sawa SHO, Mr. D.P. Singh, Mr. M.P. Singh, who always help us in our needs. Now I would like to welcome our beloved parents who remain as a source of encouragement for the past 29 years. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I extend a cordial welcome to each and everyone who have gathered here. Have a pleasant evening with us. Thank you.
To have among us, thank you, sister, Mr. Aditya, a guest of honor. A worthy parent, we feel honored and express a deep gratitude to our guest for taking time out to be with us today to grace the occasion. Today, on the celestial day of our St. Mary's Academy Annual Day and the Silver Jubilee celebration of our Reverend Father Manager Vijay Rao, the Academy has knitted the thematic thread of expectation and ambition. In the pursuit of happen and comfort, human being drenched in all his labor and sweat to fulfill the expectation of his loved ones and sacrifice his ambition at the cost of their expectation. And today, as St. Mary's Academy would like to curve a fine midway to balance empowering expectation and ambition over this marvelous kit.
Money and more leisure. The standards of becoming a successful person largely depend upon collecting more and more money bags. But before becoming a successful person, human is bound to travel in the boat of expectations and ambitions. Now, let us amuse ourselves through a spectacular performance by our Saint Marians on the theme of expectations and ambitions.
And ambitions. What? तुम्हारा कहने का मतलब उम्मीदें और ख्वाहिशें?
Yes, expectations and ambitions are the two words in which a human grinds himself to fulfill the ambitions of his loved ones.
मेरे दोस्त तुम सही कह रहे हो। आज के समय में एक मनुष्य अपने परिजनों की इच्छाओं को पूरा करने के लिए स्वयं की इच्छाओं का बलिदान करना पड़ता है। आज ऐसा ही हम कुछ सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम के द्वारा प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
Now, let us see how the Anthony's family pacifies the turmoil of expectations and ambitions through the journey of understanding each other and respecting each other's decisions and choices of life.
आइए देखते हैं कैसे एंथनी परिवार उम्मीदों और ख्वाहिशों के बवंडर को चीरते हुए एक दूसरे की इच्छाओं का सम्मान करते हुए कामयाबी हासिल करते हैं। सीन 1 एट हॉस्पिटल।
Congratulations, sir. You are blessed with twins, a boy and a girl.
God gracious, twins? Oh Lord, thank you in abundance.
Sir, where is my token of love? I want 2 crisp note of rupees 500.
Yes, have it. Please be happy.
Thank you, sir.
Now, let us witness the spectacle of a happy family. Paul and Lily rejoicing with their mother, and then father enters and lights up the environment with his friendly family dance.
आओ देखें एक खुशहाल परिवार का हृदय स्पर्शी नजारा जहां लिली और पॉल अपने माता पिता के साथ जिंदगी के कुछ हसीन लम्हों को एक पारिवारिक डोरी में पिरो रहे हैं।
चंदा चुके चम चम से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना।
खड़क खड़क के खड़के खड़के खड़क सिंह को खड़के लो, चंदा चमके चमचम चीखे जो गन्ना झोल, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीटी गोल।
चंदा चमके चमचम चीखे चौकन्ना छोड़, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोल।
हंसते खेलते कैसे 3 साल का समय पंख लगाकर कब उड़ गया पता ही नहीं चला। अब लिली और पॉल के स्कूल का सफर शुरू हो गया। Stoop in living room, children are playing.
Darling, did you register our children in any reputed school?
No, dear. I forgot to do so.
Did I ever forget to wash your clothes? Or I ever skip preparing your tiffin in time? So how can you forget such an important duty?
Sorry, dear. I know I did a mistake. But how can I correct it now?
Okay, it's fine. Worry not. Tomorrow in the morning, go and get them registered in a good convent school. Well, I think St. Mary's Academy Sasawa is the finest option.
Yes, you are very correct. Most of the convent schools work on the overall development of the child. Don't you worry. I have a friend who will help us to get our children admitted in St. Mary's Academy. You prepare them for the admission test.
Yes, I will prepare them. You need not to worry about it.
दोनों बच्चों का दाखिला कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में करा दिया गया
और दोनों ने नर्सरी स्कूल में पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया। Scene 3 at school's kindergarten.
Today is the first day in our school, so let us enjoy this day. Come on, kids, let us recite Baba Black Sheep, Little Johnny, Twinkle Twinkle, and let us have a rhyming dance.